Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make summer fresh corn salad. Nothing says summer quite like corn. And today I'm showing you how to make a fresh corn salad that's super delicious. It's so light and refreshing, but it's tasty enough to enjoy all year long. You're gonna need 5 to 6 ears of corn. These are a little bit on the small side, so I'm using 6. And we're gonna place these into a pot of boiling water. You'll want to boil these for about 5 minutes, just enough to take the bite out of them. After 5 minutes, remove them from the pot, and then we're gonna pat them dry with some paper towels. Let them cool off for a few minutes to make them easier to work with, because next you're gonna grab a sharp knife, slice down and cut all of the kernels off of the cob. Don't worry if some of it comes off in little clumps. That's totally okay. Some of them will break up, some of them will stay together. And it just adds to the beauty of this salad. Then we'll slide all of the cut corn into a large mixing bowl. Whoops, try to get it all in there. Yeah, sometimes I'm a little bit messy. Next, I'm gonna cut up 1 English cucumber, and I'm gonna slice it lengthwise and cut it into little bite-sized pieces. There will be little slight variations in size with all of the vegetables that we're adding into this salad, which will give it some texture. We'll add that cucumber in with the corn. You'll also need to dice a couple of ROMA tomatoes. We'll add those tomatoes into the bowl along with half of a red onion, and you want to mince that up into nice small pieces. Now the next ingredient is optional, but if you feel like splurging, I like to add in 1 or 2 ripe avocados. And you'll want the avocado to be diced up into little bite-sized pieces as well. Next, you'll need some fresh herbs. You can use really any combination you want, but I find that the best combination for that light, bright summer feel is mint and basil. You want to end up with about 1/4 cup of chopped mint, fresh mint leaves. And you want to measure that after it's already been chopped, and about 1/2 cup of minced basil. So you don't even have to stack these and chiffonade, you can just chop. Then add those in with all of your vegetables for the corn salad. It's kind of a lot to chop, but all that's left to do is make our dressing. It's pretty simple to make. You'll need 1/4 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and all that's left to do is whisk. Then just drizzle this over the salad and then gently toss to combine everything. Just be gentle because you do have the avocados in there and you don't want to smash them. The vinegar should keep the avocado from browning for at least 24 hours. Otherwise, this could stay good in the fridge for a couple days, but really how long it'll stay good in the fridge depends on those avocados, but we are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later. I'm gonna dig in.